So I hope my GoPro don't fall again, because this is the helmet setup that fell last time. So I'm really hoping it don't fall. How's everyone doing? It has been a long time since I rode. I think the last time I rode was like December, like the end of December, start of January. It's been a while, man. But we're gonna pray, cause look, okay, it's not coming out. All right, it was wobbling, but not anymore. Let's wear these. I get a lot of comments about these gloves right here. These are my what are these called again? My gold top Predator gloves, right? And the Green Goblin green. Let's go get some gas. Ride around. We'll ride around first, then get some gas. You know. Get this wetness off my tires. I almost slipped right there. It's slick. Man, it has been a while. We haven't had good weather in so long. You see all this snow still? It's finally melting. It snowed around like start of February or something like that, right? It is now February 20th. And we still dealing with snow. Let's go get some gas first, you know, and then we'll worry about the rest, where we're riding to. Don't really know where I'm going today. So I got a lot of questions about the mirrors too. So how I see, so from my view, I see the bottom of my hip, my left hip, right? My lower hip right here. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I see like my hip, which then lets me see what's behind of me. So you can't really see what's next to you. You kind of see what's like behind of you, and like, you know, in that rear area, right at your hip. Should have worn more. That is always my mistake. I either wear too much or I wear too less. Like, it's a warm day, but you know, once the wind starts kicking in, you know, it's a little cold or chilly at least. But as long as you focus on the sun, it should be good. Everybody still flexes back on the road, motherfuckers! Hell yeah! Nah, we're gonna take it easy. You know, I haven't been on the bike in a while, just to warm up a little. What the fuck? Do you not see me? God fucking damn it, man. What is wrong with Virginia drivers? I'm like on an adrenaline right now. I need to calm the fuck down. Y'all saw that, right? Okay, look, I get it. I could have slowed down if I saw it, but like, I trusted her. Maybe I put in too much fucking trust. That's just my fault then, alright? But other than that, you're not supposed to fucking turn like that, okay? If you knew how to fucking drive, you don't just turn right into the fucking, all the way to the, you know, all the way to the far end, the far lane. You make it a close ass U-turn and you make it into the right lane. Damn it, bruh. And you're lucky I'm like skilled enough to like recognize it too, to where I was like, okay, I can just squeeze right by you. I'm not really pressured, but you're just stupid. That's why I'm mad. All right, I'm calm now. I didn't want to click 91. What the fuck? I swear, bro, I just hate everybody. Oh shit, my bad, dog. I did not see the pedestrian there for a second, even though he's wearing a bright ass pink shirt. Dang, it's been a while, guys. How to shift. Not really. It's like riding a bike, right? Like literally. I mean, like a pedaled bike. Just kind of hop on and kind of just, you know, gotta get used to the fucking mechanics again, man. I've been driving my car for the cager, you know, just boring, man. Just like I've been driving just to and from work, from and to work. No excitement in my life, man, other than like the tailgaters and the slow ass drivers, you know, if you want to call that excitement. So I don't know if y'all know, but this is the road where I got in my first where I fell for the first time. They were redoing this road, and ironically I was getting my tires changed on the ZX6, right? And that mixed with beginner riding, mixed with ego riding as well, you can already tell. Man, I stood up and like my whole my pants from the back, it just like fell down because it ripped from like my ass cheeks from the waist down to like my knees, the back of my knees, bro. So it was like a flap. I felt so embarrassed. Oh shit, look at these houses. I was embarrassed as fuck, bruh. It was cold. It wasn't cold or anything. And what's funny was that day I was like planning on not wearing gear too, but I wore it anyway because it was hot as shit. And I was like, you know what? Let me just wear it. Yo, who is fucking blazing, bro? I just smell fucking I just smell the weed. You know what I'm saying? That shit is strong. I bet you it's that freaking Kia up there, cause he got the windows open. Yeah, that's the Kia, bruh. Oh yeah, you see it. What the fuck is you doing, bro? I missed that pull and the sounds. Wrong gearing. I thought I was in fourth. My bad. Wet roads. You can see it. I ain't gonna push myself too much. It's a residential, man. I ain't, you know. Guys, so what I noticed about this right, this anti-fog don't work, bro. I gotta plan a more like planned out route sooner or later, boys. All right. So dirty. See, that's the thing about riding in the rain I did not want to do. It is dirty as shit. Like, did y'all see that shit? It's the only thing. Look at this. It's filthy. And I spilled gas all over her too. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let her stay out here so she can dry.